Today we're in MVCC CNC lab and we're going to be taking a closer look at our 6-axis turning center. We have it set up today to machine this little rim. We're going to start out with a solid bar stock 6061 aluminum. In this case we designed this part in our CAD system and we manually program the machine. The first side complete, it's going to go up and grab the part, cut it off, and then it's going to machine the second side and we're going to have a complete part when we're done. This is a sample of what our students will do here. They can design a part and machine it to completion, to the print. On a variety of machines, they have the opportunity to design some of their own parts. We design some parts and run them together, but this is just a good example of what we do here in our CNC program.